guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do an unboxing video जिसमें I will be showing what all the products that I purchased from Sephora. Okay, so let's start with the first product, which is the lip essentials. So I have got my first Summer Friday lip balm, which was like on top of my list from so long. So the next one is my forever favorite, the Dior Addict Lip Glow in the shade Raspberry 007. This is a new one, and you can see I've been using the older one. I have almost utilized all of it and just this much is left. I just love this shade. So next is the dry shampoo from Amika. I wanted to have this from so long during winters. So when you feel like, you know, a lot of oiliness on your scalp and I don't want to have a hair wash and then just want to just prep your hair for the moment, you can really use this one. It makes your hair go so bouncy and soft and so good smelling. Full size and a travel size, so this too can come always handy with me because I can take this during my travels and this can be used at home. Next up is the Professional clay mask and the toning foam, which is a first time try. I will give you the full review on this because I have not tried this yet. This is the first time I'll be trying this, and when I saw the demo there, it's a purple clay mask, which I was like I was really happy to see that color, and I thought maybe I should give it a try. So I will be trying this out. Please do let me know if you want to have a detailed video of this and also a review on this. Next up is, again, it's a first time purchase. I've never purchased this. I've always wanted to have this, but I was always thinking like, why is it required or not? So this time when I went and I tried all the shades, like they have different miniatures, so that you can try it on, and I really liked it. This is the Sol de Janeiro 68, the perfume mist, de Janeiro Beija Flor Elasti cream. Okay, it also comes with another Beija Flor Elasti body wash and a very cute pouch to keep all this on. So I'm definitely gonna try it. Next purchase was the Kerastase shampoo. I'm actually a very regular user of the Genesis version, which is very good for hair fall, and the other version is the Chronologist, the black bottle. This is actually for dull hair, and this one is the Beautifying Oil Infused Conditioner, which is for fine to normal dull hair. So this is the conditioner. This has Avla and this has Marula in it. It's really good for our hair. So this time when I saw this, like, I was really intrigued by it and I really want to try it. I'll give you my review about it on a later video. And if you want to have a video of this before going and purchasing this, please do let me know in the comment section so that I can do a detailed video of this too. Hi, while editing I realized मैंने तो outro shoot ही नहीं किया था. So here it is. Thank you for watching the video till here. I will see you in the next video. Until then, please do subscribe to my channel and please do leave your comments down below. Bye cuties.